Hello students, my name is Prajakta Rajendra Nigre. I am your new science first teacher. So today we are going to start of periodic classification of element. Means first lecture of science first. Second topic we start periodic classification of element. So in ninth standard you have learned what is meant by element, atom, compound, molecule. So in this lecture we just recall the basic concept of means matter, atom, element, compound. So first we discuss what is meant by matter. Matter means anything which has mass and occupies space. Matter means anything which has mass and occupies space. For example, marker in my hand. So marker has some mass or it occupies a space of my hand. So marker is a matter. Next example, duster, chalk. So it is also called as a matter. So matter can be classified in two types. So first on the basis of physical composition. So physical composition can be divided in three types. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gases. Means matter can be classified in two types. So first type is on the basis of physical composition. So physical composition can be divided in three types. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gases. Means three states of matter: solid, liquid, gases. So solid example, for example, ice. Liquid, water, and third gaseous example, water vapor. Means steam. Means three states of matter. Example, solid, ice, liquid, water, and gaseous, water vapor. So next, matter can be classified on the basis of chemical composition. So matter can be classified on the basis of chemical composition. First is pure substance, and second is mixture. So pure substance, it is made up of only one component or only one substance. Means matter can be classified on the basis of chemical composition. So first we divide in pure substance and second is mixture. So mixture is made up pure substance is made up of only one component or only one substance, or mixture can be formed on simple means mixing of two or more, or simple combination of two or more component or substances. Two or more component or substance. So pure substance means which have fixed composition, pure substance have fixed composition, and mixture, it does not have fixed composition, pure substance means it is made up of only one component or only one substance, and it have a fixed composition, so it is called as pure substance. Or mixture means simple combination of two or more substances or two or more components, so it does not have fixed composition. So again, pure substance can be classified in elements. First type elements, and second type is compound. what is mean by element? So what is mean by element? So element are the pure substance. Element are the pure substance which is made up of only one component. Which is made up of only one component. Elements are the pure substance which made up of only one substances or only one component. So it is called as element. For example, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. For example, elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. So next, compound. So compound also called as a pure substance, but compounds are the pure substance which made up of two or more elements or substances. It means compound means two or more elements react with each other and to form a compound. Two or more elements react with each other and to form a compound. For example, carbon is the first element and second element is a oxygen. So oxygen is a gas, so oxygen is a diatomic molecule. So it represents O2. So carbon is first element, oxygen is the second element. So carbon react with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is called as a compound. So carbon dioxide is called as a compound. Next example, Na means sodium and Cl means chlorine. So first element react with second element. First element react with second element means first element sodium react with chlorine to form sodium chloride. So sodium chloride, it is called as a compound. Sodium chloride, it is called as a compound. So means matter can be classified first physical composition. So physical composition means three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. So next, matter can be classified on the basis of chemical composition. So chemical composition can be classified first pure substance, second mixture. Pure substance means only it is made up of only one component or substances, or it has fixed composition. It have fixed composition. And next, mixture. Mixture means simple combination of two or more compounds, or it does not have fixed composition. And mixture can be divided in homogeneous mixture or second heterogeneous. So this type you study in next standard means 11th standard. So pure substance can be classified first element. So what is meant by element? Elements are pure substance which is made up of only one substances or only one component. For example, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Next, compound. So what is meant by compound? Compound are the pure substance which made up of two or more elements. Means two or more elements chemically react with each other to form a compound. Next, we have to learn atomic number, name of element, symbol, and how to learn of this first 20 element in periodic table, means periodic classification of element. So first atomic number means first 1 to 20 elements. Atomic number 1 to 20. So one atomic number. So name of element is hydrogen, and symbol of hydrogen is H, capital H. Means any element first symbol is capital and second symbol is small letter. Second symbol can be written in small letter. First symbol means first element hydrogen is hydrogen stands for H, capital H. Next, second atomic number helium. So helium symbol is first hydrogen H capital and second E small. Second helium E small. Next, third atomic number 3. Name of element lithium. Name of element lithium. Symbol of lithium capital L. First element is capital and second element in this small means lithium Li. First element is capital and second is small. beryllium. So beryllium symbol is capital B small e means Be. Next, fifth, boron. So boron can be represented in capital B. Next, sixth, carbon. So carbon can be represented in capital C. Next, seventh atomic number, nitrogen. So nitrogen can be represented in capital N. Next, 8, oxygen. So oxygen means O, capital O. Next, fluorine. So fluorine can be represented or symbol means capital F. Next, 10 atomic number is neon. So neon can symbol capital N small e means Ne. Next, 11 atomic number. So 11 stands at name of element symbol. Sodium. So sodium symbol is capital N and small a. So sodium symbol is capital N small a. So Na. Next, 12, magnesium. So magnesium symbol is capital N small g means Mg. Next, 13 atomic number, aluminium. So Al. Next, 14, silicon means Si. Next, 15, phosphorus symbol P. 16, sulfur S. 17, chlorine Cl. 18, argon Ar. 19, potassium. So symbol of potassium is K. Symbol of phosphorus 15 P, but symbol of potassium is K. Next, 20 is calcium. So symbol of calcium is capital C and small a means Ca. Symbol of calcium is small means capital C and small a means Ca. Next, this first to 20 limit. How to learn or how to remember of this series first to 20 limit. So short trick of remember of this 20 elements. So first is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Next, last 20 atomic number is calcium. So how to learn? H for high, heli. This 20 element can be divided in 6 types. Means 6 part can be divided. This 20 element can be divided in 6 parts. So first part high heli means high for hydrogen, he for helium, li for lithium, high heli. Next, second part beryllium, boron and carbon means BBC. BBC. B for beryllium means Be. B for boron, C for carbon. Second, first part is high heli, second part is BBC. So B for beryllium means Be, B for boron means B, C for carbon means C. Next, third part, no Fe. No means N for nitrogen and O for oxygen. So no Fe. F for fluorine means Fe and Ni means neon. So no Fe. Third part is no Fe. So no means nitrogen, oxygen. Fe means fluorine. Ni for neon. And next fourth part is na mange alsi. Na means sodium means Na. Na mange alsi. So na means Na, mange means Mg, Al means aluminium Al, and C means silicon. Silicon symbol is Sr. And next fifth part is phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. फिर से clean means फिर for phosphorus, say for sulfur and clean means chlorine. फिर से clean means फिर for phosphorus, say for sulfur and clean for chlorine. Next, sixth part, array kaka means array for argon, ka for K means potassium, and next ka for calcium means Ca. So how to remember? So this is the trick. With the help of this trick, we remember first to 20 element. We remember the first to 20 element means first is hydrogen. So first part high heli means hydrogen, helium and lithium. Heli means high for hydrogen, He for helium, for lithium. B, B, C. B for beryllium, Be, B for boron, C for carbon. Third part is no fene. So no means nitrogen and oxygen. F for fluorine, Ni for neon. Next fourth part, na मांगे आलसी. Na means Na means sodium. मांगे means Mg. Al means aluminium. C means Si. Si means silicon. Fifth part फिर से clean means phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine means P. फिर for P. Say for S and clean means chlorine, Cl. Next sixth part array Ka means array for argon, Ka for potassium, K, and Ka for calcium, Ca. So using this tree we can learn first to 20 now. So atomic number. Atomic means number of positive charge. Number of positive charge means proton which is present in nucleus. So this is called as atomic number. And atomic number. Next point हमारा mass number. Mass number means atomic mass. So atomic mass is approximately double to atomic number. Atomic mass is approximately double to atomic number. So atomic number means number of positively charged proton present in nucleus. Number of positively charged proton present in nucleus which is called as atomic number. So atomic number means number of proton which is always equal to number of electron. So number of electron revolve around the nucleus. Number of electron revolve around the nucleus means it is called as atomic number. And atomic mass number. Atomic mass number means number of positively charged proton plus number of negatively charged neutron. So number of proton plus neutron present in nucleus of an atom. Present in nucleus of an atom. So it is called as atomic mass. Means mass number. So it is called as atomic mass or mass number. Or atomic number means number of positively charged proton which is present in nucleus which is called as atomic number, which is called as atomic number. And number of proton which is always equal to number of electron which is revolve around the nucleus, which is called as atomic number. And atomic mass, proton plus neutron. Proton plus neutron which is present in nucleus of an atom which is called as atomic mass or mass number. Means atomic number or atomic mass which is approximately double of atomic number. For example, carbon atomic number 6. Carbon atomic number 6 and mass number or atomic mass of carbon is 12. So atomic number 6. So approximately double. So 6 to the 12. So 12 is the atomic mass. Atomic mass means proton plus neutron present in nucleus of an atom. But exceptional case, argon and potassium. So argon atomic mass is 39.9. Argon atomic mass, exceptional case of mass number. Argon atomic mass 39.9. And potassium atomic mass is 39.1. This is two exceptional case. Argon as 39.9 and potassium is 39.1 of atomic mass number. Next, first point of 10th standard, classification of element. So what is meant by element? So element are pure substance or which is made up of only one component or only one substance. So it is called as an element. So any element, for example, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, or any other means gold, silver. So it is called as an element. So in classification of element can be classified into three types. So in last century, they are classified in two types, metal and non-metal. So next, in recent year, it can be classified third type, metalloid. Metalloid, it is also called as semi-metal. So total 180 elements are discovered in different scientists. So in last century, means about 1800 years, only 30 elements are discovered. Only 30 means last century, about 1800 years ago, only 30 elements are discovered. Only 13 elements are discovered. Next, more recent times, the scientists discovered the new experiment and 118 elements are discovered. So these are 118 elements are in periodic classification of element. Out of this 118 element, first 20 to 30 element. First 20 to 30 element means in last point we discussed hydrogen to calcium. So hydrogen is the first atomic number and calcium is 20 atomic number. So first 1 to 20 element are usually known element and used in different types of compound or different type of molecule are formed with this element. So this 1 to 20 element atomic number and atomic mass are learned for first 20 elements. So first element can be classified in three types. So first type is metal, second non-metal and third semi-metal means metal. So what is mean by metal? So metal means first property is luster. So luster means shiny appearance, means कोई भी substance जो shine करता है वो होता है luster. So it is called as a metal. Next property, it conduct heat and electricity. मीन्स कोई भी एलिमेंट जो हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट होती है उसे हम मेटल कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट डक्टाइल. सो व्हाट इज डक्टाइल? डक्टाइल मीन्स कोई भी एलिमेंट पे हमने हैमर किया तो उससे क्या होगी, तीन स्मॉल वायर फॉर्म होगी तो उससे डक्टाइल प्रॉपर्टी. नेक्स्ट मैलिएबल. मैलिएबल मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल गोल्ड. सो गोल्ड इज सिंबल AU और गोल्ड पर हमने हैमर किया तो उसका मतलब कन्वर्ट और कन्वर्जन थीन शीट में फॉर्म होता है तो वो प्रॉपर्टी मैलिएबल. मीन्स मेटल प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट लस्टर, सेकंड कंडक्ट हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी डक्टाइल एंड फोर्थ मैलिएबल. सो व्हाट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ मेटल? फर्स्ट इज गोल्ड, नेक्स्ट सिल्वर. Gold, silver, aluminium is the example of metal. Next, copper also example of metal. Next type, non-metal. So non-metal, no luster. First property is no luster. So no luster means does not have shiny appearance. So non-metal with exceptional cases diamond and iodine. Exceptional cases are diamond and iodine. Diamond are shiny substance. So it is exceptional case. Iodine exceptional case, or all other than diamond and iodine. Non-metals are no luster property. No luster means no shiny appearance. Second, it is a poor conductor. Means does not conduct heat and electricity. But exceptional case is graphite. So graphite can conduct heat and electricity. Graphite is a non-metal, so graphite can conduct heat and electricity. But non-metal second property is poor conductor, means it does not conduct heat and electricity. Means poor conductor of heat and electricity. Next third property, they are not ductile or malleable. Non-metal are not ductile or malleable. Means this non-metal cannot be converted into small wire or thin sheet. So it is called as non-ductile or non-malleable. Next point, means third type of element can be classified. Third type, metalloid. Metalloid means semi-metal. Means properties intermediate between metal and non-metal. Properties are intermediate between metal and non-metal. Means कुछ property metal की होती है और कुछ property non-metal की. Means it is called as a metalloid or semi-metal. So example of semi-metal or metalloid is silicon, arsenic, germanium is the metalloid or semi-metal. And non-metal means, for example, first carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So it is a hydrogen and oxygen is a gas and carbon is a non-metal. So carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is the example of non-metal. These are concept of classification of element. These are the concept of classification of element. In element, different scientists on different experimented new properties are discovered. So these new properties are, and different scientists started trying different method of classification. Means as the recent year 118 elements. So 118 element have different property. So different scientists put forward a different theory. Means different properties show. So different properties mean different scientists shows different method of classification of element. Different scientists shows the classification of method of element. So first three theory. So first theory is Doberein triad. Second theory is Newland law of octave, and third theory is Mendeleev periodic table. First theory is Dobereiner triad. Second is Newland law of octave, and third is Mendeleev periodic table. So in this lecture we study the first theory is Doberein triad. What is meant by Doberein triad? So it is 1816 German scientist Doberein. 1817 Doberein scientist put forward a theory, means it is called as Doberein triad. What is meant by triad? So properties are related to their atomic masses. So scientist Doberein, he made a three different elements, means according to their atomic masses, according to their increasing atomic masses. He made a three groups of elements. Having similar chemical property. Group of three elements having similar chemical property is called as triad. Group of three elements having similar chemical property is called as triad. So he arranged a three element in triad in increasing order of atomic masses and show atomic masses of middle element. Means, for example, lithium atomic mass is 6.9, sodium 23.0 and potassium is 39.1. So first lithium we say that A, second sodium is B, and third potassium is C. So scientist Doberein triad says that addition of first and third element. Addition of first means A element and third element is C. So A plus C divided by 2 means what is A? Atomic mass 6.9 and C 39.1. So atomic masses of two elements means A plus C divided by 2. So we get middle atomic number. So we get atomic number of middle element. So we get atomic number of middle element means 39.1 plus 6.9. So 9 plus 1 10. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 60 means we get 46.0. 46.0. So 46 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 0.20s are 0. So we get 23.0 means 23 is the atomic mass of middle element. 23 atomic masses of middle element means how to say that Doberein say that a group of three elements each having similar chemical property. Is called as triad. So these three elements in triad in an increasing order of atomic masses. So it shows the atomic masses of middle element. Means approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of the other two elements. For example, lithium atomic mass 6.9, sodium 23.0 and potassium 39.1. So we get A, B, C. So addition of first and third element means A plus C divided by 2. So A is 6.9 plus 39.1 divided by 2. So 6.9 plus 39.1. So we get, on adding these two value, we get 46 and divided by 2 means we get answer 23.0. So is the atomic masses of the middle element. So middle element is sodium. So sodium atomic mass is 23.0. So it shows that Dobel-ion triad. So next example, calcium atomic mass is 40.1. Strontium Si atomic mass is 87.6. We say that B. And third is barium, Ba. So atomic mass of barium is 137.3. So we say that C. So addition of first and third element divided by 2. So means A plus C divided by 2. So A is 40.1 and C is 137.3 divided by 2. So next 137.3 plus 40.1. 3 plus 1 4 7 and 3 plus 4 7 1. We get answer 177.4 and divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, remaining is 1. So 2 8s are 16, so remaining is 1 and decimal point. So 2 7s are 4. So we get answer 88.7. So which is approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of other two, means 88.7, which is approximately equal to 87.6, which is the atomic mass of middle element strontium, means 87.6. So it shows that Dobel-ion triad. So student, if you have any queries, so ask me in a group. I hope you understand this basic concept and first classification of a element and next Dobel-ion triad. So next lecture we study the Newland law of octave and Mendeleev periodic